Alright, I'm here at Potawatomi Hotel Casino. Gonna play Pinata Pays. And this one is a different version than I played last time. I believe it's Lucha Champions. I'm here with my brother-in-law. I'm gonna play his free play now. We played mine on another slot. I don't know when I'm gonna be posting that one, so I don't want to say what it was. Got $65 in free play, got $60 cash in. Gonna see what happens on here. I got it kind of angled so you can go and see the pinatas up there when they grow. Doesn't matter, they can go off at any time. Alright, we decided to play 2-cent denomination, minimum bet. And see what happens. We might go up to nickels because it's only $2 minimum bet. Here we go. And you're gonna see the green screen unfortunately on here because that's every time I get my money, or I should say my brother-in-law's money on this one. Every time we get it back for his free play. Okay, you need to get the colors. Every time you get a color, you got a chance to pop those up above. I'll show you a picture when I edit this. This looks like BD slots. And go check him out. I'll have his link down below in the chat. Okay, the green one and the red one just grew a little. So like I said, it don't matter. They can go off whenever they want. The W, which I'm assuming looks like it's almost like a wrestling belt, I'm assuming. That one's wild, which that one should be pretty good. Look like 640. Yep. And unfortunately, I got button slappers on both sides of me. See how good my brother-in-law. Well, first spin, I told him, you push the button. You know, what does he get? 12 something? 12.50. Go ahead, push it again since you're doing good. Keep pushing the button. Well, he did like crap, so now I'm gonna do it. This button on my side sticks. Come on, get all three of them. Dang it. So if you get all three, it's like the mega feature. That's what you want to see. And my brother-in-law pushed the button again because my button's sticking on this side. Keep it going. Let's get them to pop. Come on, BD slots. Do something good for us. Let's do a couple more spins and I think we'll go with nickels. We got 17 bucks left right now. Do one more and we'll go to nickels. Okay, see, this blew up more. You can go a lot bigger than that, trust me. Go ahead. So it's 2 cents, or 2 cents. I can really talk for crap today. Well, it's got bigger. That's what she said. $2 is the bet in 5-cent denomination. Come on, pop. Got a couple spins left to free play. Not making much right now on this one though. One more spin left. So out of $65 in free play, we made $27.85. Not the greatest. You know, we'll stay on nickels, at least down to the 60 bucks, and see if we want to keep going. And just get one of them to go off would be nice. Yeah. See, I told you, you can get a lot bigger. I think it can get bigger than that even. Oh, pop now, pop now, pop now. $25 mini, I would have taken that, I've been happy. Just getting all fat up there. What do you want to do? Just keep going. Hey, we got some BD slots. $4.75. Be happy just to get anything. Well, more than 50 cents. Come on, let's go pop up there. So, if you can see it better, they're real big, but they can get bigger than that. So it doesn't matter. I would go to 10 cents, but that's $4 a spin. That's too much. You want to stay on nickels or 2 cents? Not sure. There, we got the double one. All right, at least we got one bonus. It's still do good on it. All right, so we got the donkey and the pig, because I never played this version of it yet, so I didn't know what the names were on them. I know the blue one, I believe, is the eagle on the other one. It might be the same on this. Go ahead and push the button. Here we go. Well, hold on. I'm going to pull the card out so don't get... It locks up your card if it's the bonus is long. Oh, we got the good one. This is the big one. So if you get a blue one that comes in here, it's going to add all the amount in here. Up there, you need 3 more coins down here to open that one up. I'm going to leave it like this, and when we get to the top, I'll expand it up there. Here we go. So we get 4 spins. Every time you get one, it resets. Go ahead. Anything. Down on the bottom. 2 more spins here. We got to go get some. Come on. Anything on the bottom. Well, save it, Jeff. I'll blame it on you. Come on. Thank you. Got 4 more spins. I'd like to see a blue one down there. Oh, we got it. I forgot that was the one opening up. So now you already collected those. Now we need 10 more down on either one of these to open the next one up. Come on, I want a blue one. No, we don't have blue in this one. Why am I thinking it? Because I had well, give me a hint. I had all 3 of them on the other one. I don't think there is a blue one in this one. Come on, anything down there. Not even getting anything. Come on, just one. Well, it's down to you again. Gotta save it, Jeff. Come on, save it. Just one on the bottom two. Nope, that's it. Sometimes how it is. Way up on the top, so it's hard to see. I can zoom it in if you want me to. Kind of a crappy bonus, actually. $37.50. That wasn't that great of a bonus, but at least we got one. And it can go off again. Let me reset you up here. So what do you want to do? We're up. We got the free play money. We're ahead on. We started with 60, so we're up 27 bucks. So what do you want to do? Do a couple backup spins on nickels and then go to something else? Yeah. Right, let's do a couple backups. Do one more. All right. We're gonna try pennies or 2 cent? We're gonna go to pennies. $1.60. I think if we don't get, pop. That was a bigger number. No, it's only pennies, but still. If we get down to 60 bucks, I think we should cash out. That way we didn't lose any money. See if we can double it. Here we go. Keep going. Like to see a full screen of BD slots. Like I said in the bonus, that blue one, it collects all the ones that are in there. That's why I was thinking that, because I told you I'll give you hints. I had all three on my other video. So I'll probably have the other one posted before this, so go check it. I'll link it down below. We got 10 more bucks left before we gotta go and gotta get it popped by then. Come on, Jeff, get it. Do it now, Bob. Both of them. Dang it. Putting good numbers in there too. Got one more spin after this. No, he didn't save me, so. Well, it was a fun video, though. I had fun. I don't know about you. So we put in a $65 in free play, $60 cash. Cash out 46 cents I had. And that's what you do with free play money. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. See you on the next one.